Hello friends, let's do some derivations today. So I will be teaching you the derivation in this session. The derivations that we are going to learn. The derivation, let's see the derivation. The derivation, derivative of a function fx with respect to the variable x, with respect to the variable x is is a new function f prime x, okay, or d by dx into fx, so which we give the equation f prime x is equal to limit of h equals to 0, where we get fx plus h minus fx by h. So I think we got this derivation equation, and let's apply this and see if we could get some equations. So let's do the derivations of this. Let's have some questions regarding this. Let's say, okay, let me go with this side and let's solve. So let's say find the derivation from first principle or from definitions of number one, let's say x. Let's do that. And so how will we doing? So now, just now we learned a derivation on the top, right? So we will use the derivation to solve this. So let's say if we have fx is equal to x, then we can write fx plus h is equal to x plus h. Then we do this equation. What do we get? Let's see. So we write the same equation, x prime x is equal to, where is limit of h is equal to 0. Here we told this place we are replacing with this x plus h, this place we are replacing with x minus x by h, which is equal to, we get, what do we get? We this and this cut, so obviously h by h, so we get h by h is equal to 1. We are getting the value 1, so we can say limit of, here we need to write the limit, and this still where it is, the value we are getting is 1. Got it, my friends? So this is what the equation is. So we go solve it with first equation principle, or the from the definition itself. Here you can just check out, find the derivation from the first principle or from definition, that is x. Now we will know further x square, then others. Okay, have a great day, my friends. Love you.